Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's combine 1 cup of plain yogurt, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 to 2 cloves of minced garlic in a bowl. Make sure your yogurt is at room temperature. It'll blend much more smoothly this way. Now, we're going to whisk everything until it's perfectly smooth and well combined. You want to make sure there are no lumps of mayonnaise hiding in there. I like to use a balloon whisk for this, but a regular whisk or even a fork will do the job just fine. Here comes the tahini. Add 4 teaspoons and whisk it in thoroughly. This ingredient adds such a wonderful nutty depth to our sauce. Keep whisking until you see the tahini completely disappear into the mixture, creating a uniform, creamy texture. Time to season. Add fine sea salt and pepper to taste. Start with small amounts. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. I usually start with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a few grinds of black pepper. Let's do a taste test. This is actually my favorite part. Take a small spoon and check if you need more of anything. Maybe a bit more garlic for kick? An extra squeeze of lemon for brightness? Trust your taste buds here. They know what they're doing. Finally, pop the sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting time is crucial as it allows all those wonderful flavors to get to know each other and meld together. The sauce will also thicken slightly as it chills, giving you that perfect consistency for drizzling over your kebabs or shawarma. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.